Every part of Texas has a great need for affordable housing. The demand far outstrips the supply. Therefore, affordable housing is more important now than ever before.
You know you've arrived at Texas Housing Conference when you see a lobby full of people that are excited to share information and see you.
So I've been coming to the Texas Housing Conference for about 10 years now. It's about friendships, socializing, and really working together to make a difference for our constituents.
It's developers, bankers, lenders, equity investors. You have your attorneys, architects, everything to make a tax credit development work.
It's so big, it's so much of an event now that a lot of people plan their calendar around it. And if they're only going to go to 2 or 3 conferences in a year, this would be one of them.
We typically have a ton of information on new legislation, trends in the industry, and then some really basics to get people who may be new to the industry familiar with tax credits and bonds. What is a public facility corporation? So it's a great place for seasoned individuals or brand new hires to the affordable housing industry.
I believe this conference is different from others because of the people that attend. We support each other in our endeavors regarding providing and the development of affordable housing.
You need to make the effort to be here because of everything, one, that you'll learn in the affordable housing arena, and to build those relationships with folks that are ultimately going to help you achieve that goal of creating new affordable homes in the state of Texas.